What's up, you guys? It's your girl, Sophia Lamour, CEO of Adore Lamour Branding and the Boardroom Society. Now, today I'm going to be having a lot of fun with you guys. We are going to be learning to make our own AI twin, period, because that's what you're here for, right? Now, the name of my program is TwinFluence, and I want to welcome you guys. Thank you guys for joining. This is brought to you by the Boardroom Society as well as the Digital Beginners Lounge. So to have a seat, we're going to have some fun. You guys got your ticket? Let's do our big one. Now, in this course, you're going to be making your very own twin. Now, these are images that I created, clones of me, using Flux LoRA. And that's what we're going to be using today. I'm going to show you guys a very easy way to do that. But first, pop quiz. Which one of these pictures is me and which one is my AI twin? You give up? Well, that's me. That's my real photo shoot. And to the right, that is my AI twin. So you see how accurate these apps can be when prompted correctly? Let me show you guys how to do it. So we're going to start with Flux AI. Now, you might not be able to go to the website directly. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Google and we're going to type it in Google there because it might be a little bit easier for you to get to the website that way. So once you get to Google, go ahead and type in Flux AI. After we type that in, it's going to go to this one right here. So it should be the first one with this logo. Go ahead and click on that. Once we're here, you're going to go up to the top. You want to create an account or log in if you already have an account. I'm going to go ahead and log in because I have an account, but you can create one. And you can also, when you sign in, you can use Google to sign in. So let me show you guys what I mean. So see here, it gives you a couple of different options to log in. I'm going to go ahead and go through Google because that's how I log in. So use your Google email address and it will log you in. Once you're in, you want to go to the top right here. You're going to want to add $10. Now, the reason why we're going to add $10, it does cost to use this. You're going to be able to create so many images with that $10. So go ahead and just throw the $10 on your account. We're going to click here at the top where you see the money. We're going to go ahead and click that. Add our $10 in because it's going to take us to billing. Now, if you go down here, you see I have a few credits. I have about 7 something left on my account. So we're just going to go down, add our $10 to your account. Once you get your $10 in, you're ready to go because you can add 20. Hey, you can do whatever you want. You're going to see how valuable this is later on. So go ahead and add your $10. Once you do that, we're going to go to fast training. Now, you can either go through the Explore button or Home, but Flux LoRA fast training is going to be where we're going to go. So I'm going to go down here to fast training. Go ahead and click on that. I'll give you guys a minute. Once you get in fast training, I need you guys to get 20 good photos of yourself. Now, if you see here on the right, those are AI twins I already created. Get the images of yourself and you're going to go ahead and upload those 20 clear images of your face that they can really see you. Now you're going to use a trigger word. That trigger word, if you see down there on the bottom, the trigger word is going to be your name because it's going to be easily identified by the app. Anytime you want to make images of yourself, it's easy to say, so I'm Fia, so I could put Fia. Fia in a garden is going to create an image of Fia in the garden. So that's what the trigger word is used for. So go ahead and put your name as the trigger word or the name of the client that you're going to be making images for. And then you're going to go ahead and click start. Now, once you have all the images uploaded and you click start, it's going to start to generate your AI twin. And that's where the fun begins. So let's see here. Go ahead and click start. And you can pause this video. I'm trying to give you guys time to go ahead and do it along with me, but you can definitely pause this video and go at your own pace if you need to. After you create your AI twin, you're going to click there where it says run interface. Once you run your interface, now you're going to type in your name, that trigger word, and then you enter your prompt after that. Now, I already had a prompt ready. After you do your prompt, you're going to go down a little bit and click more. When you click more, you're going to add none images to 4. That way it will generate you 4 images. After you do that, you're going to just go ahead and click run. You see me, I'm lifting it to 4. And then now you see your images being created. So it's going to run a little bit, and this is really fun because now you're waiting to see what you created. That was simple, right? I mean, I think that was so easy. This is like one of my favorite apps, and it definitely creates beautiful images. You see that? Flawless. Oh yeah, they ate. These photos ate. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on that one. That's my face. That's definitely it. So you can play around with it. You can change the hair. You can change what she's wearing, the background, anything that you want by the prompts that you guys put in there. So yeah, these images ate down. This one is not my favorite, but the rest of them definitely ate down. Ooh, that's her right there. That's her right there. I like that one. So now you have your AI twin, you guys. Are you excited? I love it so much. So you can use these images for so many different things. You can monetize them and get a bag. I mean, that's why I'm here. So one of my favorite things to do with these AI images is you can do a ebook cover like this one. Or if you have your own community, you can do module covers. Or you could just simply do photo shoots. I mean, the possibilities are endless. Thank you so much for watching. Now, if you guys want prompts to create different image variations for these twins, or if you simply want to learn how to upgrade your graphic design skills, you want to come join me in the boardroom, this is your ticket. I'll see you there.